Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the correct battery type for your Ford F150, Group 65, or the OEM spec, 12V with sufficient CCA. Once confirmed, park on level ground and set the parking brake. Turn the ignition off and remove the key. You then remove the negative clamp first, using a 10mm wrench, and tape the cable away so it can't touch metal. Next, loosen the positive clamp and shield. This prevents sparks and protects the truck's electronics. Once the clamps are clear, loosen the battery hole down and lift the battery straight up using gloves and a battery strap. Avoid tilting to prevent acid spills. While it's out, clean the tray and terminals using a baking soda solution and a wire brush, then dry completely so corrosion doesn't start immediately. Place the new battery in the same orientation, vent toward the engine. Once seated, tighten the hole down snugly, not over-torqued, to prevent movement and stress on the case. You reconnect the positive clamp first, then the negative. Make sure each clamp is firm and torqued to a snug fit so resistance is low. Once reconnected, start the engine and verify that accessories, clock, and radio presets are intact. Reset any settings if needed. If the truck does not start, do not panic. Check cable connections, fuses, ground straps, and measure battery voltage with a multimeter. A healthy, fully charged 12V battery reads about 12.6 volts.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.